it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the Rainbow collaboration and this is week 1. This is hosted by Tammy, My World in OKC, Sandra CraftyMom, and Jody, Jody's Craft Room. So I will be linking all their channels down below. Before I show you what I've done, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So the rainbow color was pink, as you see, guys. So this is what I created. I made some embellished little icicle die cut pops and I thought these were so cute. So this one I used the pattern paper, put the bling here, a little bow and bling, and the back is just pink. And I used a glue stick on each side of the paper, but near the popsicle stick I did use some wet glue so that it would stay in there nice and tight. This one here, I made it like gold and pink, added the leaf, added a tulle bow, a little pink flower, and I just think this is so cute to go out in friend's mail. And here's the last one that I created. This one I used glitter and I did spray it with hairspray so that the glitter isn't gonna come off here and it's staying on real well. I used 2 of these butterfly die cuts on top of each other and a little tulle bow down here. And yeah, these are my 3 little popsicle sticks. They're pink. And I think these are cute for friends mail and cute to use as an embellishment on lots of different things. Alright guys, that was my Rainbow Collab Week 1 using the color pink. I hope that you enjoyed what I created here. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!